Hello, everyone. I guess mostly Marianne for now. But anyway, it's Dave here. I'm going to demo the truck load, truck shipping, truck schedule, whole ordeal thing we got going on now. So as you can see, I have a dealer order placed here for Devco. Obviously fake, but I need some data. So this, we'll just assume all this has been done and we want to schedule this trip. So we'll just go to TruckTrips. And we'll go to new, obviously. And you'll get this box, and generally from my take, you don't want to enter any of this stuff, and you don't have to. I mean, if you know who's going to be driving the truck, the dates, all that stuff, you can enter it now if you want, but you don't have to. And since it's a new trip and there's no destinations yet, it will come up right away and ask you to enter a destination. So we have a pickup and a delivery. These can be changed, but this is generally a boat delivery. Again, a lot of times I guess we're not going to know the date, the actual delivery date, so we can just leave that there. And we have a search here. Going to look for that account, and now it pulls in all of the ERP orders that are available for shipping. So you can see everything that was on the dealer order here, and we can select whichever ones we want. Maybe it's just those ones. We click save, and you can see here is now our list of destinations. You have a full feed as well, and it automatically populates the truckload, and it just starts at position 1 and starts jamming them in. You can just drag these around wherever you like. Set your truckload up all you like. From here you can even set the serial numbers if you'd like. So there's your 3 serialized items. We can click, and that would I'm not going to do this because this is in production, and that's the only serial number we have in production currently. But there you go. So you could set them all. I mean, I can. You'll see it there, and it'll set. So if we go done, you'll see down here that it's now has a serial number, and they will all look like that. They'll get the serial numbers there. They get populated here as well, so you can see kind of what's going on. We'll just go get rid of that for now. Just click clear serial number. It'll be gone. So that's the simple destination where we're just going to take some boats, and then if along the way there's another one, and we could add another delivery here to whoever else has some boats, and I'll just put a pickup in just for fun. Maybe Barry's not in there, who knows, anywhere. We'll just say Active Green and Ross and just add some notes. It's going to add it here. You can always go back and edit everything. So even if we decided, we're not going to ship that Angular, it's supposed to be, all 18XTs, add them all. You can pretty easily do that. And of course you could delete if you want to. So that's more or less all there is to building out your trip. You have this trip. You can edit, as well, get this back up again. But that's really it. And then, you have this trip built. If you go to the truck schedule now, you're gonna see it's right here available for scheduling. Now, I know truck trip 000-33 is not the most descriptive. I could put a name field in there to let you name it if you want. Just because of the multiple accounts that this could be going to, it doesn't really make sense to try and base the name off of the account. So the only thing I did do here is if you hover on the truck, you're going to get a full detail of everything that's going on, and we can slide over and you can click the view if you want even more details. So this is basically that same page you just saw, and you can do everything in here you could in the other page. But scheduling is pretty simple, just like before. So we'll drag him out, say we wants to leave on the 16th. Now this Dave Hahn Co. account, it has a 5-day trip length. So you can see here that it guessed at that. And what this actually does is it goes through all the accounts, takes the longest trip day and sets that right here. So they come back on the 5th, and we will need to set a driver at this point. So you can't schedule it unless you want your driver. We don't have to select a truck, but truck and trailer, and we will. That's gonna save it. And you notice all of a sudden here we got a delivery pickup date, and all that did was, I'll close it. There's your span. It figures right in the middle. That's where we're going to deliver that. That's the only way I can figure out how to kind of assist what's happening. There's going to be manual. You can easily just edit and do that. Just change it to whatever day it is you need. But that's the best guess we can get, and obviously because Active Green and Ross is only 1 day, so you'll have to kind of pay attention here to your delivery and pickup dates a little bit. And again, we can, it has the ability to lengthen those. Right. Again, any manual editing with that date after the original point, you'll have to come in and change the delivery dates. But this is where they show up for each one. Drag him back down. You can drag him a whole destination. It will update these dates, your delivery dates, if you drag the entire event. So that's pretty much it. I mean, it's kind of the same after that, pretty simple, straightforward. Hopefully this is what you were looking for, and that's all we got for you today. All right, talk to you later.